Hi guys, here is a new OpenGL tutorial in which I will show you how to add the library Glew to your C++ OpenGL projects. So what is Glew? The name stands for OpenGL Extension Wrangler, and it is a library to expose the core and extension functionality to OpenGL in a single header file. This means you can access the data types and functions of modern OpenGL with it, and this is independent from your operating system. I'm downloading here the Windows binaries, and after extracting the zip file, I have the following directories. What I need is the lib folder, here release, win32, and I want to link static to the Glew32slib, and the S in the name stands for static linking. Okay. And what we also need is the include directory that you can see here. So what I will do first is to copy the Glew lib to the lib vc 2015 folder of our project that we created in the previous video. After that, I copy the Glew include folder to the project directory. So we have the GL and glfw in the include folder, and from the lib folder we can remove the libraries that would be linked dynamically, but we do static linking so we can get rid of them. Alright, and now let's start Visual Studio 2017 with the OpenGL Start project. This is the project we created the last time, and the first thing I want to do is to open the project settings. Here I switch to the C tab, but we don't have to do anything here because we already added the include folder to the additional include directories the last time. Okay, now open the linker tab. And here also the additional library directories are set correctly because we added the Glew to the existing lib vc 2015 folder. But on the input tab of the linker we have to add the Glew32s.lib. So that's it. And now we can go ahead and include the Glew header file. Okay. And the next thing I do is to go to the Glew webpage and copy this initialization code and paste it to my file. What's important is to paste it below the make context current function call. And then I build the project again, and what I get is linker errors. That's bad, so let's switch to the Glew webpage to find out what could cause these errors. Here on the installation page, we can read that for static linking, we have to add a preprocessor constant called Glew static. So where to add this? Let's open again the project settings, and under C preprocessor we can find the preprocessor definitions where we can add this constant. And now we build again and get no more errors. And we can see the status here in the console telling us that we are using Glew 2.1.0. Great. Now we can use all the nice functions of modern OpenGL, like creating vertex buffers or compiling or linking shaders. And this is what we are going to do in the next part. We will add code to load, compile and use a simple vertex and fragment OpenGL shader to draw finally in our OpenGL window. So please stay tuned, it's worth it, and don't forget to subscribe. And perhaps you consider supporting me on my Patreon and help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and come back soon to JNM.